Go. Let's try some Fat Swaller in E major. Wish me luck. Let's try the chords here. E, B, E, C sharp, F sharp minor, B, E, again, E, B, E, C sharp, F sharp minor, B, E. Now we're going to do the bridge here. E flat, A flat, A diminished, B flat minor, E flat. Again. Again. A flat to B. Then we're back. B augment. Alright, I made it. Now I'm going to try to explain what's going on here. Alright, so this is like a lot of fun to play. It's just basically like blues licks over like jazz changes, sort of. Kind of, rhythm changes anyway. So, let's talk about it here. I'm playing kind of out like an Elmore James from. There you go. That's here. That's a jazzy note there, the major seventh, which would be the 11th fret on the E string, or the what's this, the 13, 14, 16th fret, I guess, on the B string. So it's then up here on the 12th fret, blues. You go down here too. That's right here, like on the 5th fret. These two notes. So that's kind of it right there. So just think of it as like you're playing a blues thing. That's it. I'm playing an octave lower down here sometimes. See, I'm just open on the G string. You got a 4th fret on the B string. Open G. Then you go kind of like then you go up here, which is just these two notes of like if you're over an A chord. And then you can figure the rest of it out. The bridge is all in A flat. So I'm just playing like, which is right here. Da 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 da. The other thing is, like, when that second chord B, I play B augmented. So, I love you, I cry for you. You want to get that augmented sound in there, so you just bar on the 7th fret and take your second finger and put it on the 8th fret. See the difference in sound. Da 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 da. That major 7th is really nice.